from Instagram would know that I was in Seetla last week. I don't know how to record intros. So, why did we decide to drive from Delhi to Seetla, an 8-hour long drive into the mountains? Of course, it's the heat. Yes, you guessed it right.
For the cool use of intellect, while others were in grave peril. 50 points.
It's the heat wave and it's bad and we needed some relief. We went down to Seetla for 3 days and I hope you enjoy the vlog. Hi baby! We're going on a trip! Daddy, are you excited for the trip? This is our ultimate summer trip.
Not really.
Elsa, go, 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 go. Elsa, go. Good girl. Ewa, Elsa. So we stopped for a bit and we met with my sister and my Jitu. Where my sister had a reunion with my dad and my Jitu went with my dog. Then we also got some snacks for our way. And because we also didn't have any breakfast, so we just needed something to eat. And then we are back on road. Decided to not give me space. The restaurant didn't allow the dogs to go inside, so Eva, Elsa and I were sitting outside in the heat. And then of course we were back on the road and we thought we would not stop anywhere because we were already getting late and we didn't want to climb the mountains at late night. I think this was around 4:30 when we actually started climbing the mountains and the cold breeze started to hit our faces and we had to actually put off the AC because the car starts to get hot. And the car, because they like sharp turns, so my dogs were a little scared while we were on our drive, but then it was difficult, but it was not that difficult. Elsa and Eva were also enjoying themselves. Even though we didn't want to stop, we had to stop because the car started heating up and obviously the dogs wanted to take a break because mountains was a new space for them. The sharp turns were also quite tedious for them, so we thought that we'll just take a break. And then there was a tea stop, and when you are in mountains, why not have some gupta and tea? Also, I don't know if you feel this, but then the Maggi in the mountains taste quite different and really refreshing. So we did get some of that and then we were back on road again. I also made some cute little friends that I had posted on my Instagram. Finally, after the long drive, we arrived, but we couldn't take a car up there because of the narrow road that you can already see. So we had to hike for at least 10 to 15 minutes and we were quite happy to go upstairs. You can see how beautiful it already looks. That's the house that we stayed in and that's the view that we had from the house. It was just so beautiful. morning everyone. We crashed last night. We were too tired. This is the room from my view. This is the view from my room. I'm sorry. I'm too tired and I'm too exhausted to actually talk about anything, but then this is how it looks like. You can walk out. And this is how serene it all looks. I love this view. I wish I could stay here for longer, but then we only have like 2 days, I think. That's the spot I think I'm gonna sit at and read a book, maybe around 4 o'clock. Right now it's like the sun is too hot. I don't like sun. I don't know if you guys like sun, but I don't like sun. I would prefer to stay in this shade. The flowers here are also really pretty. I don't know if the camera is capturing the colors right or not, but it looks really nice. And there's some fruits. I think pear or nashpati. I don't know. I'm not sure. The whole look of this place is also like really nice. I'm really glad the way this has been designed. The house has been designed. So this house is actually my family. It's owned by my bua, and we're coming here for the first time. So I also didn't know. It was like a surprise. I didn't think or like imagined for it to be this pretty. That's my sister sneaking on me. Hi. When you are on vacation but social media is important. Yeah. Oh. Eva, are you liking the experience here? Answer me. Answer me. It's currently 4:48. We've been just relaxing since like morning and chilling in the house. You can see the entire house. It's like so beautiful. The view itself is so good. I'm gonna put some clips for you to see. And there are also fresh fruits that we can have, and the flowers, and there's also a dog. So Eva and Elsa have like company. I've come outside because it's a little pleasant, and now it's able to like one can sit. And I was also thinking I'm gonna read a book for a while. It's called Funny Story by Emily Henry. It's the new book by Emily. I'm gonna read for a while here. So I thought I'm gonna bring you with me to read and chill perhaps. We're also thinking of going to trek for a while downstairs as of now.
So, we and environment are one.
Wow.
And how you can figure out कि तुम जहाँ भी घूम रहे हो उस environment का value तभी है क्योंकि हम हैं वहाँ. जो दिख रहा है, हमें जो दिख रहा है,
हाँ.
उसी को हम value करेंगे ना. For example, look at this tree. This tree is so this tree is looking good to us because we also want to be like that we can stand out, be seen as separate, as unique, as different from other people around. Like this is so different from the other trees.
I've been warned that this, whatever this is, makes you fall.
so I have to be careful while walking. Romeo is trying to Romeo both the dog. नहीं
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
is money. Time is money or life is money?
Neither.
Somebody's life is money.
ओ ये कितना बढ़िया पेड़ है यार.
That root. Hey, टूट जा. And how's it?
अच्छा
Fresh fruit.
Fresh little fruit.
खाओ कैसा लग रहा है बताओ. How's it?
तो नहीं है.
अरे That's Eva and that's Eva's wanting to be a boyfriend.
तू हाँ कर या ना कर तू है मेरी किरण.
Aftermath of hiking, we're all very, 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 very tired.
ठीक है तो घर से भुगतान तो होना चाहिए.
अब तुम्हारी बारी है, तुम्हारा बना तुम चलोगे तो चलो. अब चलो अपने काम. चलो यार.
किसी को चले तुम पे पान है ना.
मैं बता रही हूँ, चलो.
ये निकल जाएंगी.
हाँ. क्योंकि मेरे पास नहीं है इसलिए बोल रही हूँ. इन दोनों की दो निकल रही है, हमारी एक निकल रही है. सब ठीक है.
So cute.
चलो.
कितना हो गया आपका?
1 2 3 4 5 हो गए सारे.
3 चाहिए. अब इसमें ईट है.
है अभी है.
कितने ओपनली डिस्कशन हो रहा है.
क्या किया?
क्या हो गया? हो गया. उनके पास भैया बोलना चाह रहे हैं, उनके पास भी खत्म हो गया. सब कुछ करने का पॉइंट है. क्या करूं फिर मैं?
अब सब खत्म.
It's the second day of us staying here and I've not really done anything. It's evening now. The clip that I shot was of my family playing some cards and then we went off to sleep. We woke up and then in the morning we were chilling for a while. There was a lot of stress, including about different things. And right now I was just shooting my daddy for his videos, which his videos for his corporate basically. So I was doing that, so I thought maybe I'll I'll record an update for you guys and just share what things we've been doing and how it has been. I'm so glad that we did this because it has been relaxing and nice.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
That's the dog who wants to hump me all the time. I don't know why. Oh my god, look at that! Look at that! Stop!
Romeo.
He's just humping me. And that's my dad trying to stop the dog to hump me. Dad, I can't find a boyfriend. I should marry my Romeo only. That sounds wrong. I'm sorry, guys.
Go into your room. कमरे में जाओ.
So I think the most exciting thing that has happened in this vlog must be the love story of my two dogs and that third dog, Romeo, who's also trying to hump me. who's also trying to hump me. Look at the way they're communicating. That's Eva and Elsa. Honestly though, we are in Uttarakhand and it's still quite hot here. It's never been this hot is what I've been told. Like the temperature in New Delhi is obviously 41 degrees, but then here it's 29 degrees, which is also quite hot. It was supposed to rain, but it's not raining. Let's see you. Eva is not very happy. She doesn't want to go back in the summer and in hot. Right, Eva? You don't want to go back, right? Oh. But sadly, we have to. It's the last time I'm looking at this view. For now. We will take a trip back again soon. I've heard that in January there's snowfall here, so maybe we'll plan something around that time. टेस्टी। पापा हम जा रहे हैं, अब आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है?
आते जाते तो रहते ही हैं सारी जिंदगी में, क्या पता।
क्या बकवास। जब मैंने पापा से पूछा था लास्ट टाइम कि हम ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं, कैसा फील हो रहा है, तो पापा ने बोला पता नहीं, बेकार, दुख हो रहा है
जाते हुए।
दीदी